Wait, let me see how bad this is. How did you do that? Okay.
Yeah, there's no pushing.
What?
There's no pushing.
Dude, is it in neutral?
Yes, it's in neutral.
No way, it's in neutral.
It's in neutral.
Why are we trying to push it, Joe? Just drive it. I'll let you know, you're good. Just go slow. Yeah, you're fine, you're fine. You're not, your rim isn't touching it at all. Okay, slow up a little bit.
Is that good?
Yeah, you're fine.
What do you have on your head?
What?
What do you have on your head?
Wait a minute.
Funny, huh?
It's not at all.
Funny.
It's so bad. We gotta find the, you gotta put it down all the way. You're gonna have
Yeah,
to.
I realize.
Oh, you gotta get the crank. The crank is gonna be in the trunk.
Right here. At least I think it is. Yeah. See, it's the same size. Hello.
Hello?
Hi. How are you?
Fine. Do you need help?
No, it's fine. I got everything.
By yourself?
No,
No,
I'm
John's
here with him, but
he's here for moral support.
if you want, it doesn't matter. It's just,
No, it's fine. We got it.
yeah.
We're in this knee deep now.
Went out and looked at his tires, and his front tire is like off the rim, the passenger tire. A huge, like it's got a nice chunk out of it, like a
It's
nice
like the same thing that happened to
1-inch
Mom's
gash in the sidewall.
car. We probably should.
What? And the car's in park or no? Yes, it's in park. Look at us being. Look at us being all safe. We got chocks and everything. Ah, bada bing, bada boom. It's like we're pros. Wait. Hold up. So, we just noticed that we didn't break the bolts, so we're lowering it. And now gonna break the bolts. And pretty much for anybody who doesn't know what that means, you're just gonna take a little bar and go boop, boop. We're already gonna get all this copyright for your music.
We're posting this? Oh, it's this way. No, it's this way. Am I going up or am I going down? Am I going up or am I going down?
You're going up, go down.
I'm going down. I mean up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's try. Come on. Come on. Come on. Like you mean it. Put some back into it.
I got it.
Okay. No, what are you doing? Like that. Break it like what? You go from this one to this one to this one. Are you stupid?
No. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. That was a little childish. We're sitting on your tire right now.
Are you really? Better us than a tire, okay?
There's a couple of dudes working on a car.
What time is it? Why are we still watching The Office?
Wait, do you have Allstate?
I don't know.
I don't think you have Allstate, Joseph.
I do have no. Do I
Like
have
a good
Allstate?
neighbor, State Farm is
I
there.
might have State Farm. Where's State Farm? I don't see you.
Sorry. I'm enjoying this way too much. I'm laughing.
Yeah.
You know, I would be doing this. Guys, so this is a fun fact. You should put your rim underneath the car like that so if it drops.
So if it drops, it's not on you. So you don't go splat. Where do you want to put it?
I don't know.
Where should we put it?
That's a great question.
My fingers are too cold.
My hands are like actually red though. Like
Yeah, that's why I put my
for any,
gloves on.
this is really bad videoing, guys. I'm sorry. Most of the videos aren't like this. But for anybody, it's like 30 degrees out right now.
It's 30, yeah. So,
What?
uh-oh. There it is. If you're gonna put this in fast thing, and you're going you're right, it's exactly what it's gonna be. And then everyone watching, all of, the people from Com Squad that like you, that support you. Right?
You don't support me, Joe?
Of course I support, I come
Here. Was it your turn? Good thing we have the weekend for you to get in your tire.
Joey's gonna
You know we're supposed to get snow on like Tuesday, right? Bro, oh my god, it's gonna be so bad. It's front wheel drive too. Really don't wear Crocs, guys.
We're good.
Is it? Let's kick it. Kick it around a little bit. Make sure it falls on us.
Well,
Okay.
car's shaking.
We're good.
So we're fine.
Come on 1 sec.
You got your video?
Yeah, why?
Okay, if the car starts rolling, what are those gonna do? What's the problem with this equation? What's the problem with this equation? Huh? What's the problem with this equation, huh? What's the problem with...
It's gonna roll forwards, right?
Oh, really?
Right?
Really?
It's gonna roll forward.
Forwards, huh?
Wait, I'll fix it. I'll fix it. Bad, baby. We're good. Yeah.
Take it off the jack! It's low! I don't care. I'm gonna go.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. It's just snug enough.
So, after we got the tire on, Joe made it home safe and sound. His tire did not fall off halfway down the street. And now, remember, if your tire sensor light is on, that your pressure is low, make sure to check it, because you could have a hole, just like Joe did. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.